Hello! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Brazilian dessert called tres amores. So if you want to know how to do it, keep on watching. So the ingredients for this recipe are 1 spoon of butter, 1 chocolate bar, I use milk chocolate, 10 strawberries, a package of graham crackers, condensed milk, and heavy cream. So first we have to smash the graham crackers until it's like powder. Remember to be careful with your fingers because it's like really heavy. Pour it into a glass bowl. Once it's like this, we're gonna melt the butter puree in it. So after we pour it, we just mix it all until it's like a little paste as the base. This is the first layer of the dessert, so it has to be really solid. So we just mix it all. Just make sure like every corner is covered. The first layer is done. We're gonna grab our condensed milk and puree in a little pot. I'm gonna use just half of this, which is 150 grams, and then that's a little bit more. Don't be shy, put some more. A little bit of butter. So we're gonna stir the condensed milk for about 20 minutes. It's kind of like a long process, but we have to do it until we get that consistency. So finally it's turning into the little paste. You see, so the first time I tried this dessert was in Brazil last year. I went to my friend's house, so her host prepared this for her as a special like dinner. So she invited me over and like we ate it, and I was like, oh my god, this is so good. And I didn't know what this milk base was. I thought it was white chocolate, but she was like, no, it's condensed milk. And I asked her, how did you get that consistency, because condensed milk is so liquid? And then she told me how they do brigadeiros, so it was like the same process. So I fell in love with it. So let it sit on the fridge. For the third layer, we're gonna melt the chocolate. Now that we have our melted chocolate bar, we're gonna add it to a bowl with half this can of heavy cream. So this is 300 grams, so I'm just gonna use 150. Pour the chocolate. So now we just mix it all up. So once it's all mixed, we're gonna take out our bowl from the fridge. It's better if you put it all and then spread it on as the second layer. Just spread it on like this. Last step is cut the strawberries in little slices. This is my favorite part because it's like so easy to do. So just grab a knife and start slicing the strawberries. Make sure it's not that thin and not that thick. It's gonna be on top as the fourth layer. I stop here because this looks enough to cover all. I think I'm gonna do like a heart shape. Cover it. Make sure all the pieces fit. That's why it's called tres amores, because you don't count the graham cracker layer. So it's, you know, 3 loves. So this is the final product. That's it for today's video. I hope you try it at home someday. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. So see you in the next one. Bye. My kitchen lighting sucks.